Bring it down, lower it down and drag one in, like this. You gotta hold one in.
Yeah, you guys let go. Yeah, go. Oh, come on. Wrong way. Heads up. It's fine.
The wind's going to
It'll go.
You've experimented, huh?
Oh, yeah. Crash!
So what's left when these things fall to the ground?
Just that metal circle. And we're like, all these Christmas decorations are going to get rung. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Okay, that one's a little scary, the one that's catching itself on fire.
Hey, wow, that took a nice turn.
I know.
Remember, you gotta shake the bag out.
Yeah, so it's pretty open. I'm recording it for Grandma.
You have to hold it for a little.
Sure.
You guys okay?
Watch it, guys.
If you have to throw it up, it's not ready yet.
It's not ready. Hold it. Hold it.
Good idea.
You're at an angle. You're burning the bag.
Alright, let it drop.
It's okay. It's okay. Drop on it. Let it go. Let it go.
Okay, I got to catch this. This will be good for YouTube. Oh, watch your leg.
Sorry.
It should let you know when it's ready.
Let that burn for a while. A little while longer.
You'll know, because
It'll go up.
It'll get light in your hands, won't it?
yeah. Dad, isn't this beautiful? Do you see all the lights out there?
I know.
We're confusing all the planes.
Right.
Watch out, watch out!
Heads up.
Watch out, watch out! It'll go.
You almost got burned too.
Wow, that was close. Yeah, really, this place is crazy. Florida's much safer.
I thought y'all welcomed me to the family.
Yeah.
Hey, Jamie, have you ever heard baptism by fire? Yeah, exactly. Literally.
Recheck it.
Oh my God.
You didn't see that in the wedding agreement, the marriage agreement?
No, I did not read that part.
Frequently catch your back on fire.
Yeah. I'm glad somebody says, wow, go.